Hey everybody, Mecca from myself, Publishing Blueprint, and I wanted to just put a quick video, a little announcement, a little update that I've been doing. I sent out an email yesterday. So basically what I'm doing is I've opened up my one-on-one coaching, but at a very, very reduced rate. And the reason I'm doing this is self-publishing has just been absolutely phenomenal. For not just myself, but for so many people over the last few months, especially with the craziness that's been going on in the world. And it's just one of those businesses where the outside world has very, very little effect on it. And that just gives you a sense of stability and security that nothing else can give you. And there's, Jim Rohn has a famous quote, just build a financial wall around your family, nothing can penetrate. With something like self-publishing and having your own business, especially a digital business like this, that allows you to do things like that. And I want to be able to help you, build a financial wall around yourself and your family and your loved ones that nothing can penetrate. So to do that, I want to work with you one-on-one. And normally I charge $5,000 to go through my one-on-one program, but I'm not going to be doing that this time around. The way this is going to work is I'll be working with you specifically one-on-one. So the style and everything is going to be tailored to your specific needs. It's going to be 3 monthly calls. Each call is going to consist of a couple different things. We'll have an introductory call that doesn't go towards a 3. And then the first official call, it's going to be niche and keyword research and understanding exactly what type of business or brand essentially we're going to be building around. And so we're going to really dive down and help you get a full 100% complete understanding of that. Then from there, the next call is going to be all about book creation, customer research, and designing your outline for your readers. And that's going to be a phenomenal one. Call 3 is all going to be about your launch strategy, your marketing plan, and reviews. And these are the things that you're going to be able to replicate after these calls. You're going to be able to do them over and over and over again with every single book that you launch afterwards to ensure that you keep getting successful book after successful book after successful book. These are the tools and the techniques that have been proven to work time and time again for myself, for my students, and now it's time to make them work for you and for your books. So this is open to anybody. If you're brand new, first-time self-publisher, great. Specifically those who have maybe a book or two or a couple books out, but you're looking for some extra guidance, you want that extra help to really take things off, then hey, this is going to be your opportunity to do it. Now, like I said, yesterday I sent the email out. We got a couple applications already. We're just waiting for some confirmation payments. So a couple spots have been taken, but I'm only opening this up to a very limited number of students, as it is one-on-one and I only have so much time. So the info is down below. You can sign up. The investment on your part is $9.97, and that gets you everything: the calls, access to the blueprint, my self-publishing blueprints publishing program. It's also going to get you access to volume 2 early. As soon as that's ready in the next little bit, you're going to have access to that as well before anybody else. So I'm really looking forward to working with you, and you can apply down below, and let's make 2021 your absolute best year yet.